Best known for her Bollywood acting performances.
Skechers is all about originality, all about having fun, all about color, vibrance, and I feel like that's something that I really resonate with as well.
She has won the Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut.
For me, I think the most important thing is comfort, but then I'm also super into like pops of color, so I like that little vibrancy also.
Newsx India A-List proudly recognizes Ananya Pandey for excellence in acting.
Hello and welcome, Amudaya Pratap Singh. You're joining us on this brand new interview as part of our special Newsx A-List series. We have in conversation today a very special guest, well-known actor Ananya Pandey is joining us today on the broadcast. Ananya, welcome to Newsx, and let me start out by just asking you about, of course, this new collection by Skechers. What actually made you come on board to be the special guest to launch it?
Hi. So for me, it's always been such a natural fit with Skechers. Just the way that both our personalities kind of vibe, you know. Skechers is all about originality, all about having fun, all about color, vibrance, and I feel like that's something that I really resonate with as well. So our vibes have always just kind of matched, and especially with this campaign, the originals keep moving. I love what it stands for, you know, freedom of self, freedom of expression. Also the fact that it's about, you know, moving, like keep moving no matter what life throws at you. So I just love that. I think it's such a catchy line, and it's something that I completely believe in.
I have to ask you then that what determines your choice of sneakers? What's something you keep in your mind when you're buying your latest sneaker, and what do you believe is the USP also of this latest collection that you're launching?
So what I look out for when I'm choosing sneakers, I'm this call myself the serial chiller. I'm the self-proclaimed serial chiller. So for me, I think the most important thing is comfort, but then I'm also super into like pops of color. So I like that little vibrancy also. That's why for me, like Skechers is the perfect fit because the shoes are so comfortable. I can literally do anything in the shoes, but they also have like really like different styles and, you know, all these like pops of colors, and they're so vibrant, and that's the USP of, you know, the Delight collection. So it's just, as I said, the perfect fit.
Okay, well, you know, you do need a good pair of sneakers to work out, to stay fit. I have to ask you, you know, it's been a very tumultuous year and a half actually for the entire world and the country. People have been mostly indoors, you know, with these multiple lockdowns. How have you been staying fit, you know, through these lockdowns, through this last year and a half, Ananya?
So I do a little bit of everything. I love doing yoga. I've recently started weight training as well, and I love dancing. So for my weight training and dancing, I'm like always in my Skechers. Like they're my best friend.
Okay, and finally, I want to ask you, you know, you're working out, but people want to look good as well. So what's a fashion tip you share with people on how to look good whilst getting fit, while working out, and you know, and also doing it very stylishly?
I would suggest that while you're working out, comfort should be the top priority. But if you kind of want to have some fun, you should try different colors. You should mix and match your laces, and I think that'll give you kind of like the energy while you're working out in like a super cute outfit with like super cute sneakers. So I would suggest the Skechers Delights because I think that has everything that a girl would want.
Well, thank you very much, Ananya Pandey, for joining us on this special interview on Newsx A-List. Thanks for being with us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.